when they step, better step right. Step up in my kitchen with the chef dice. Cooking, I come out from my left, right. I got season and I do it just right. When I'm stepping in, they think I'm blessing the kitchen. I got my grandma and my apron, I'm the chef in the kitchen. I think they really should be happy cause I'm blessing the kitchen. This roll of dicing with you, I send it to chef in the kitchen. CHEFHITDICE, yeah, you my right. 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 CHEFHITDICE, yeah, you right. CHEFHITDICE, yeah, you right. Like, share, subscribe.
Yes, sir. Welcome to your boy channel. About to make it happen again. It's Good Kitchen. So we have some chicken wings right here. I already rinsed it, rubbed it down with lemon, let it soak, pat it dry, and I took the skin off. Right now, we go ahead and season this bad boy up, and we'll throw it in the oven, and we'll let it do its thing. Okay, so here go the season I'm using. Some Applewood rub. Some dash seasoning. I'm gonna squeeze a half of a lemon. Okay, so I picked this up at one of my good stores. It's all-purpose marinade. I want to try it out. We'll go ahead and put it on this good chicken. We'll rub it in. It's only me right now filming, so I only have 2 hands. So now what I'm finna do, I'm finna grab a sharp knife, and I'm finna poke holes in this chicken. So that marinade and that seasoning, you get all through that meat. And we're gonna start cooking. I already have my oven. It's gonna be preheated on 400. We're gonna make it happen. Okay, so that's how we're looking. I'm about to go ahead and throw some aluminum foil. I'm not gonna poke no holes in it. I'm just gonna throw some aluminum foil over it, wrap it up real good. It's going in the oven on 400 for an hour and 20 minutes. Okay, so that's how we're looking right there. I said hour and 20 minutes, but that's a whole hour right there. So what I'm finna do, I'm finna go ahead and put it back in there for the remaining 20 minutes with aluminum foil off. When I say it's smelling good right now. Okay, so here we go right here. A nice little dinner. Baked chicken thighs, mashed potatoes, and we have our mixed vegetables. A cool little recipe put together. Nice little dinner for the good family and friends. I hope y'all enjoyed my video. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up. Other than that, I had a good time filming with y'all. Don't forget to hit that bell notification. Like, comment, and share. Y'all have a good night. God bless. Hit dice.